if the key to your success lies in the depths of your mind. Success isn't just about hard work. It's about believing in yourself and programming your subconscious to attract what you desire. Imagine yourself effortlessly achieving your goals while you sleep. As you settle deeper into relaxation, allow your mind to open. Picture your dreams manifesting into reality as the whispers of success echo in the deepest parts of your being. As your body relaxes, feel every muscle loosen. Start from your toes and gently move up, allowing each part to feel heavy, releasing any tension. Your feet, your ankles, your legs. Feel them grow heavier and heavier. Let this sensation pull you deeper into comfort and ease. Now, as your legs relax, focus on your core. Feel how your abdomen rises and falls with each breath, and let your torso sink into calmness. With each breath, you're letting go of stress and inviting success into your life. Let your mind wander to the thoughts of achievement and fulfillment as your body sinks further into relaxation. Your shoulders, your arms, your hands each part releasing tension, becoming weightless. Feel how freedom flows through your limbs. As your body finds peace, imagine success flowing into your mind like a gentle stream. Visualize the life you desire, your goals, aspirations, and achievements surfacing in vivid colors. Now bring your attention to your neck and head. Allow any tension to wash away. Feel your jaw relax and your forehead smooth out. With every breath you take, let thoughts of self-doubt dissipate like fog in the morning light. You are capable of greatness. Your subconscious knows this. Every positive belief you hold lifts your spirit higher. In this tranquil state, let's dive deeper into the concept of subconscious success programming. Consider this: your beliefs shape your reality. Your subconscious mind is like a fertile garden, waiting for you to plant the seeds of success. But what kind of seeds are you planting? Negativity or positivity? Limitations or possibilities? As you listen to these words, visualize filling your mind with the flourishing gardens of confidence, abundance, and success. With every deep breath, you are nurturing these seeds. Breathe in confidence. Breathe out doubt. Breathe in abundance. Breathe out scarcity. Imagine each inhale brings in success, while each exhale releases everything that does not serve you. Let the thoughts flow. Picture your own definitions of success. It could be financial freedom, achieving personal milestones, fostering deep relationships, or simply living in joy and peace. Whatever it is for you, see it clearly in your mind's eye. Feel the emotions attached to that success. Happiness, pride, satisfaction, let these feelings engulf you. As we navigate this journey further, I invite you to embrace a series of affirmations designed to program your subconscious for success. You can choose to silently repeat these affirmations in your mind, or simply let them sink in as you drift deeper into relaxation. I am capable of achieving my goals. I attract abundance and success effortlessly. Every day, in every way, I am getting better and better. I am worthy of all that I desire. Feel the truth in these affirmations. As you repeat them, visualize them becoming a part of your reality. Let them resonate within you. Your mind is a powerful tool, and what you focus on expands. As you continue this journey, allow yourself to explore what you truly want in your life. Picture the success you aim to achieve. See yourself overcoming obstacles with ease. Picture each challenge as a stepping stone, helping you to climb higher. Feel the thrill of achievement in your heart. You are destined for greatness. Embrace the vision of your successful self. Let it fill every fiber of your being. Know that success is not just a destination, it's a state of mind. As the journey unfolds, recognize that the path to success is paved with persistence, and with each breath, you become more aligned with your desired reality. Acknowledge any fears that may arise, but don't let them deter you. Instead, let them fuel your determination to succeed. In this current moment, everything you desire is within reach. The universe responds to your thoughts and feelings. So fill your mind with positive images and affirmations of success. Allow your subconscious to soak in these truths until they become second nature. Picture yourself waking up tomorrow, driven and confident, ready to conquer the day. When your alarm clock sounds, it will be a reminder of the powerful intentions you have set. Each day will be a testament to the power of your programming as you manifest your dreams into reality. As you continue to relax, feel a wave of gratitude wash over you. Thank your subconscious for its dedication to helping you grow. Your mind is now a fertile ground for success, and with each passing day, it becomes easier to attract positive experiences into your life. As you drift deeper, know that this subconscious programming doesn't stop when you wake. It flows into your waking state. You are becoming a magnet for success. You are drawing opportunities to you with ease and grace. Embrace this feeling, knowing it is yours. Conclude this experience by visualizing the feeling of success enveloping you like a comforting blanket. You are safe, you are supported, and you are on the path to everything you desire. As you drift deeper into sleep, let these beliefs settle into your subconscious, prepared to guide you in the days to come.